Okay, so we're going to get started by adding a listing. We have a couple of different options to choose from. There's the PX consultant package, which is really a great fit for people who are interested in becoming a mentor or maybe a freelance service provider. There's a lot of great features that come with that. It's $50 a month. Of course, then there's also the enterprise package, which is a little bit more in depth. It includes a video option where you can upload video to your profile. You can also give coupons to customers and kind of ramp up and scale up your business. This is a little bit more for mentors who are interested in expanding their mentorship platform, or business and service providers that are a little bit more established. And finally, there's an ad listing just for businesses who are interested in just advertising their services but not necessarily selling their services through the platform. So I am going to go ahead and do the PX consultant package just to give you guys an idea of how this works. So let's click that, come to the bottom and hit submit listing. All right, so in this case, we're submitting a listing for a service, not an event. In the event that you are interested in creating an event and selling access to or tickets to that or advertising that, you would choose this one. But right now, we're going to do service.